Here's how to bend objects in SketchUp using the TrueBend extension. First, open the extension warehouse from the window menu and search for TrueBend. Click Install and restart SketchUp if needed. Now, select the object you want to bend. For best results, make it a group or component first by right-clicking and choosing Make Group. The object should also have enough segments because low-poly geometry will not bend smoothly. Go to the Extensions menu and click TrueBend. A bend gizmo will appear around your object. Click and drag the handles to bend the geometry interactively. You can bend it upward, downward, or sideways, depending on the direction you drag. Use the Measurements box in the bottom right corner to type an exact bend angle for more precision. If the bend looks too sharp, undo and add more segments to your geometry before bending again. This works great for curved furniture, pipes, arches, roads, and many other shapes in SketchUp. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.